Right now, while you're watching this, the professional world is quietly being rewritten, not just by chatbots that answer questions, but by Agentic AI, systems that plan, decide, and act like a small robot team working beside you. Some roles are disappearing, but brand new roles are opening for people who know how to build, direct, and collaborate with these agents. In this video, I'm going to give you a clear roadmap into that world and 10 concrete paths you can choose from, whether you write code or not. Let's start with where we are now and where Agentic AI is taking us. This is the Agentic AI roadmap. 10 paths to mastery. My goal in this video is simple: to show you what Agentic AI really is, to explain how it's reshaping the role of professionals, and to help you see where you can position yourself in this new landscape. Think of this as a map for the next 5 to 10 years of your career in a world where intelligent agents are everywhere. The professional landscape is being remade right now. In almost every industry, routine knowledge work is being automated: reporting, basic analysis, customer support, scheduling, even parts of management. Some roles will shrink, some will disappear, but at the same time, there is exploding demand for people who can design, operate, and oversee systems powered by AI agents. So the question is no longer, will AI change my job? The real question is, how do I change with it instead of being replaced by it? To understand Agentic AI, we need to see where it fits in the evolution of AI. We started with descriptive AI, systems that tell you what happened, dashboards, reports, analytics. Then predictive AI, what will probably happen next. Then prescriptive AI, what we should do about it. Recently, we got pragmatic AI, tools like ChatGPT that help on demand, but still wait for you to ask and you to drive. Agentic AI is the next step. Systems that can take a goal, break it into tasks, call tools, and keep working until they reach an outcome or hit a constraint. It's the difference between using a GPS and sitting in a self-driving car. So what is Agentic AI in practical terms? Agentic AI is AI with agency. You don't feed it every step. You give it a mission. Research this market and give me a one-page summary. Monitor these metrics and alert me if something breaks. Draft replies to these emails, but only send after I approve. A good agent can plan. It can gather information. It can call external tools and APIs. It can adapt as it learns more, with you supervising the key decisions. It's not just answering questions, it is actually doing work. But to get real value from this, you have to change your mindset. Most people still treat AI like a vending machine. You ask a question, it spits out an answer. You like it or you don't, then you move on. In the agentic world, that's not enough. The winning mindset is to treat AI as a junior teammate. You give it tasks, you review its work, you correct the mistakes, you push it to your standards. Over time, as you keep doing this, your agents begin to work more and more like you, in your tone, in your style, with your priorities. You're not just using AI, you're training it to work with you. That leads to a new professional identity. In the past, we were measured by how much we personally could produce, how many lines of code, how many designs, how many documents. In an agentic world, the most valuable people are the ones who can orchestrate intelligence. You understand the domain. You design the workflows. You set the constraints and goals, and you let agents execute under your supervision. You move from I do everything myself to I design the system and I guide the agents inside it. This shift doesn't create just one new job called AI person. It creates an entire ecosystem of roles. On this roadmap, there are 10 paths, from no-code builders to engineers and researchers to product leaders, creatives, educators, and systems integrators. Some are deeply technical, some are hardly technical at all. Your background is not a limitation. It's your starting advantage if you know how to plug it into this new world. Let's start with the technical and research-heavy paths. Path 1, no-code or low-code agent builder. If you're a creator, operator, or consultant, you can use visual tools and platforms to turn messy processes into clean, automated agent workflows without writing full-stack code. Path 2, Agentic AI engineer. If you're a developer, this is where you build the agents themselves. Reasoning loops, memory, tools, multi-step workflows, orchestration. You design behaviors, not just functions. Path 3, Agentic AI researcher. If you love theory and experiments, you push the boundaries of planning, reasoning, autonomy, and safety, creating techniques the rest of us will later apply. Then we have the product creative, and business-facing paths. Path 4. AI Product Manager or Strategist. You design real products around agents, turning vague business needs into clear agent capabilities and success metrics. Path 5. Creative Technologist or Storyteller. You use agents to power interactive stories, characters, games, and new creative experiences that react to users in real time. Path 6. Ethics, Safety, and Alignment. You make sure powerful agents are safe, fair, compliant, and trustworthy. You define guardrails. You test edge cases. You think about long-term impact. Path 7. Business, Sales, and Go-to-Market. You figure out how to package and sell agentic solutions and how to integrate them into real organizations and workflows. The last 3 paths are about education, simulation, and systems. Path 8. Educator, Mentor, Curriculum Designer. You help others understand and apply Agentic AI through courses, workshops, internal trainings, or content. Path 9. Simulation and Synthetic Environments. You build virtual worlds where agents can be tested and trained safely before they touch real users or real data. Path 10. System Integrator and Architect. You connect models, tools, memory, and infrastructure into robust multi-agent systems that actually run in production with reliability, monitoring, and cost in mind. When you look at all 10 paths together, you see a full landscape, not a single ladder. Some paths are no code, some are light code, some are deep technical, and you can move between them. You might start as a no-code builder, then learn enough scripting to become an engineer. You might start in product, then grow into a systems architect role. The key is not picking the perfect path. The key is picking a starting lane that fits who you are right now and then evolving from there. To operate in this world, you don't need to master every tool, but you do need a mental model of the stack. At the top, you have orchestration and agents. This is where goals, tasks, and workflows are defined. Then the interaction layer, chat, voice, interfaces, the ways humans actually connect with agents. Beneath that, memory and knowledge, documents, databases, embeddings, past conversations, then models and infrastructure, the engines that generate text, code, or actions, and the servers that run everything. Wrapped around all of this, monitoring, evaluation, and safety. Understanding this stack helps you see exactly where your current skills plug in fastest. So how do you actually start moving on this roadmap? Step 1, map your current strengths. Are you more technical, more creative, or more business and strategy? Don't throw that away. Use it as your foundation. Step 2, pick a tool cluster that matches your path. Maybe a no-code agent builder, maybe an orchestration framework, maybe a simulation or teaching platform. Step 3, commit to a simple loop. Read a little, take one solid course, and build one small real project that solves a problem you actually understand. That single project will teach you more than hours of passive content ever will. To make that journey real, you'll need an expedition kit. On this slide, I've grouped a few kinds of resources. Books that shape how you think about agents and autonomy. Courses that give you practical skills. Frameworks and platforms that let you actually build and deploy. You don't need all of them. Pick one book, one course, and one framework or tool that align with the path you're choosing. Then go deep instead of skimming everything. Let's close with the big picture. The future of work with Agentic AI is not humans versus machines. It is humans augmented by machines. And the most valuable people will be those who know how to design, direct, and collaborate with agents. You don't have to transform your entire career in a week.